Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create professional Facebook posts using Canva. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new MacBook Pro. So let's jump into it. First, open Canva, then go to the social media tab. And at the social media tab, you will have three different sections: popular, Instagram, and Facebook. Now we are creating a Facebook post, so just tap on Facebook. And then the first option is going to be the Facebook post. And when you tap on it, Canva is going to open up your design page with the exact ratio and format for a Facebook post. And here you have two different choices. You can either go and add your photos from the Canva library or upload your own. You can add text elements or any different design elements that you would like to add to your post. But if you want to create a real professional Facebook post, you can always go to the templates, and here they have beautiful templates for any different topics that you would like to post about. And you can add a template like this, and then after that you can customize it because all the elements are customizable. You can change the text, you can type in any different quotes or anything, you can change the colors. So it is really up to you to design the best Facebook post that you would like. You have all the tools that are required, and they have all the different topics covered. So I'm sure that everyone can find the ones that interests him. As you can see, Earth Day, these are Earth themed posts, and you can type in if you want to add different elements. You can change these as well, you can change the order. So as you can see, everything is possible here, and the sky is the limit. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.